another super rainy day in LA today. Me, Alicia, and the dogs are all having a cozy day inside, and I thought I would make a banana bread. However, as you guys know, I am currently doing gluten-free and dairy-free, which overall has been very challenging, but I'm getting better at it. But I found a banana loaf recipe on TikTok. I follow this girl, her name's Allie, it's A-L-E if you want to give her a follow and look at her recipe. This is a refined sugar-free, real food banana bread that is gluten-free and dairy-free. It's also vegan, so like very excited to try this. You're gonna need 2 bananas, a 1/4 cup maple syrup, a 1/4 cup avocado oil, generous dash of vanilla extract, 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup oat flour, and again, I did a gluten-free oat flour. You're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and cinnamon. And that's just for like the bread portion. We're gonna do a banana frosting as well. So let's start with the bread. It says you're gonna combine all of the wet ingredients, and the key to banana bread, especially when the bananas aren't like super ripe, is to like mush them while the skin is still on. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. It's already mashed. It's so easy. When you're mashing it in the skin, it'll kind of pop open on its own, and that's when you know it's ready. Then with a fork, we're just gonna go ahead and mash it a little bit more. A 1/4 cup maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of avocado oil, a good healthy fat for us. Boom. Vanilla extract, it says a generous dash. Generous dash. Now it says to combine all of the wet ingredients and then mix in the dry ingredients. So that's what we're gonna do. This one's easy peasy. It's 1 cup almond flour and 1 cup oat flour. There we go, 1 cup almond flour, 1 cup gluten-free oat flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. It says a generous dash of cinnamon. So there's that. And that's literally it. That's all that you need for the bread itself. We are gonna be making a like vanilla frosting to go on top out of, I have a coconut yogurt that I'm gonna use. But that was actually really easy. And again, you don't need a lot of cooking talent to figure this one out. With the avocado oil, we're just gonna grease our tin for our bread. And then we're gonna put in most of this. It did say to leave some of it in the bowl for the frosting. Perfect. This says bake for 35 to 40 minutes. I'm gonna pop it in the oven right now. Hey Google, set timer for 35 minutes. Now for the frosting, it says to use like a Greek yogurt to have more of a like high protein bread. Since I am doing dairy free, we're not doing Greek yogurt, but we are doing coconut yogurt, which is still a very good healthy fat. I've been obsessed with this Harmless Harvest unsweetened plain yogurt, and we are going to be doing a 1/3 cup. It says to also add a scoop of plain vanilla protein powder, which is what I'm doing. And this is just me being me, but I'm also gonna add some Vital Protein collagen. This is an unflavored one, just so it's a little more of a beneficial bread. All you do, guys, is mix this together with the leftover batter that is in the bowl already. This is gonna give you like a little bit of a thick frosting texture. And then you just put it in the fridge, and then once the bread's done and you've let the bread cool for like 30 minutes, you add the frosting, and that's it. So easy. I really hope this tastes good. Oh, she did say to add more cinnamon if we wanted, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Vita, wanna come try it?
It smells so good. It's really good.
It definitely tastes healthy, but it's really good. Like now that I've made it, I wanna try it again with some chocolate chips.
I was just gonna say chocolate chips one was so good. The cake part reminds me of coffee cake, but less crumbly.
A lot less crumbly. It's a little more dense.
I like it though.
Yeah, me too.
I might eat the whole thing. Not too sweet, which is really nice.
It's this girl I've been following for a while, eats with Allie. And she has like chronic inflammation with everything she eats. So she does like a ton of recipes. It's just super clean.
I feel like I would add a little more honey or something in the...
Yeah, like you could drizzle more maple syrup on top.
But like, why
you
not?
could even put like dates inside. That'd be really good.
It just makes it a little more...
I think the reason we like it so much is because it's not that sweet. Eats with
Or
Allie on
oh my
TikTok.
god, melted chocolate on top. That would be perfect. We have chocolate chips.
Good morning, everyone. I've gotten to a little bit of a late start today. I had some computer work to do this morning, but I was chatting with you guys in a recent upload during a premiere, and one of you guys said that you wanted to see more running on my vlog, and I don't think I even really realized that I've only been doing running content on socials, not really on my channel. I am still running, for those of you that are curious. I cannot believe that I'm actually still running. It is April, which means I've been running for all of January, February, and March. It's 3 months straight. I'm not doing daily anymore. Daily was just for January and to kind of like kickstart my running journey. Daily was a little hard for my body, so I'm definitely not doing daily anymore, but I am doing 6 miles a week pretty regularly. I've skipped a couple times because I got sick or I was traveling, but in general, I'm doing 6 miles a week and I'm very proud of that. And the other day at the gym, I even did like 4 miles straight. Obviously it's a little easier because it's on a treadmill, but yeah, I did 4 miles straight. The running has become a thing. It's become a thing and I'm really into it. I'm currently stretching my legs, so if I look weird, that's what's going on. A lot of you guys wanted to know like how that's been going and what I've been doing to keep that going. The most ultimate game changer for me has been shoes. I tried running in the past multiple times. It never worked. Most of the time my feet would just kill me. Like they would hurt so bad. Turns out I just didn't have good shoes. I think I was just using trail running shoes or like weightlifting shoes, like trainer shoes, when I should have been using running shoes. Obviously, it all makes sense. So since I've started running more consistently and have been into it, I've been really, really obsessed with trying new shoes and seeing like what works for me. I cannot get past On Clouds. I think the On brand is just incredible, and I think their shoes, their Cloud Monsters specifically, are just mind-blowing. These are so dirty. I wear these shoes while running. Obviously, I wear these shoes indoors, outdoors. I wear them while I do like HIIT workout classes at F45. They're just amazing for cardio. They have really excellent padding. Something else I've also been doing is I have little toe inserts. These are little like gels that you can put in between your big toe, and it just helps kind of keep your toes in line and helps them not get crampy. That's been really helpful as well. I have been using my Apple Watch to track everything, and then I've also been using my Oura Ring, which has been a game changer in like actually tracking how my body's doing and how I'm handling the runs. And other than that, a really sick playlist is what gets me through it, and I just have to like kind of mentally check out. I'm not going for time necessarily. I know like I can easily do a 10-minute mile. Like that's not crazy. I try to keep it like within there, but if my body's feeling a little exhausted, I won't hold myself to like trying to hit a certain number. I'm just trying to complete the task, and that has been like my mentality going into this every single run. I've been obsessed with this vest. It holds everything and it holds it nice and snug so it doesn't bounce. This is an On running vest too. I got this at the REI garage for like 50 bucks, and it's normally like 150 bucks. So that was a win. Look at these good doggies. We have been really trying to practice our downstays and staying in our spots, even when people deliver packages, even when people come through the front door. It's been tough, but we're getting better. This outfit is truly giving stay at home Zoom call. I look nice up on top and I'm in sweatpants and slippers on bottom. I don't know why I got so ready today. I just kind of felt like it. Sometimes you just got to get ready to feel good, you know? It has been a really long time since I have done an unboxing and I have some PR that has stacked up. So I thought, let's just unbox it together, starting with a cutie little YSL package. I can't even begin to say how much I love their lipsticks. I've seen other people post about this PR package. Look at how beautiful. Their lipsticks are just so buttery, so soft. I've never really been a lipstick person. I've always been a lip balm, lip gloss kind of person. When I tried these, jaw to the floor. Absolute butter. These colors. Oh my God, this one has a shimmer. This one has a shimmer. I'm gonna love it. This is their YSL Love Shine collection. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Love Wellness sent a whole bunch of goodies. This is their Bye Bye Bloat Detoxifying Body Oil, their Bye Bye Bloat pills, as well as their Bye Bye Bloat Firming Clay body mask. Cannot wait to try this. And then last but not least, oh my God, I think I've seen, oh my God, I've seen videos of this. It's like a body roller. I will in fact be doing a full everything body shower tonight so that I can like really dive into this. Cannot wait to give these a go. And can we just like thank all the companies that are coming out with anti-bloating products? I very much appreciate that. Summer Friday sent over some goodies, their classic jet lag moisturizing mask, as well as their nighttime eye serum. I believe this is new. I've been a fan of their jet lag mask for actual years. I'm pretty sure it's the first thing I ever used from Summer Fridays. So I'm excited that it's the same thing for the eyes. Like amazing. Olaplex sent over their brow bond building serum as well as their lash bond serum, which I didn't know that they did brow and lash things. So that's very exciting. I've only used Olaplex on my hair. When I say I couldn't be happier for a package, SkinCeuticals is just worth every penny. It's worth every penny and it does so much. I love this stuff. This is the CE Furlick by SkinCeuticals. This oil is game changing. You just gotta try it and you'll just be like, wow, this is game changing. I noticed a huge difference when I apply it on my skin and I cannot believe that they sent me this. It's a good day. We have a lovely box from Tatcha. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, she's gorgeous. The Kiss lip tint. They've come out with lip tints. Oh my God. Also, can we just talk about the packaging? Of course, it's perfection. SPF 25. Uh-oh. We might have to do like a full-on like trying testing video because what? And then they also sent over their sunscreen. This is a SPF 50. Thank you so much, Tatcha. I cannot wait to test those out. I'm gonna have to do like a full TikTok testing. Dr. Dennis Gross sent over their 2% BHA breakout solution. This is a salicylic acid liquid acne treatment as well as an on-the-spot eliminator. I'm just not as acne prone as I used to be. When it does pop up, this stuff is incredible for that. You just like put it right on there and it does the job. Origin sent over some goodies. This is their new Mega Mushroom Dark Spot Corrector Serum. And then we have a skin concentrate. So this is just like a serum for like your skin in general. I also just love their packaging. It's just so cute and simple. I went on this amazing restorative getaway last week with Purple. I have a Purple mattress currently, like that is my mattress. I've had it for years and I love it. And they gifted me my own pillow, which is upstairs, but they also gifted me a little travel size pillow, which I'm so obsessed with. It's so squishy and it like rolls up and like ties really small. So it's like more of a travel size, but it's got the grid that they have in their mattresses. It's super soft and I love it. I'm like, I can't wait to go on an airplane now. Thank you so much, Purple, and thank you for the best trip. And then last but not least, Alani sent me their new, what is this, Orange Kiss flavor. Alicia actually got the same gifting and I tried hers the other day, and I wouldn't say that I'm an orange soda girly. I don't really care for it. This was fantastic. Felt more like orange juice. It was definitely more like just like a citrusy beverage, and I loved it. They also sent over their glass straws, which I always can use some glass straws. I always lose them. And I also especially love this one because Whitney Simmons is their like collaborator for this flavor, and I love Whitney. And yeah, that is everything in my little PR haul. I'm going to now clean the mess that I made.